Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change language in Opera browser. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Opera browser. To change your language in Opera browser, first of all, click on your Opera, then open it. Once it is open, click on the top right corner right here. The three lines right there in the top right. Then after that, go down and click on Go to Full Browser Settings. Once you're here, click on right here Search Settings and type in Language. So you can see, right here you can add a language. So we're gonna add a language. Let's say Tagalog. And there's no Tagalog. Why is there no Tagalog? So let's try Filipino. Oh, there we go, Filipino. So you can add the language, then click on Add. After adding the language, so when this we now have a Filipino language here. So all you need to do is just restart your Opera. After you restart your Opera, you'll have a Filipino language there too. And a quick tip for you guys, a small tip, you can also change the whole language here on your PC, including the Opera. Just go to the search and search here in the type here to search right here on the bottom left, as you can see next to your Windows. After that, click type in language settings. There we go. After clicking on language settings, you'll now see your Windows display language. But once you click that, as you can see, there's no available language to use yet. So all you need to do is click on add language. After clicking add language, type in the language that you want. Let's put in Tagalog. Tagalog. There you go. And click next. After that, just click install. There you go. Now we have a Tagalog language right here. There you go. Now we can remove it, or we can see its options right here. So add keyboard and some of the stuff. So now, there you go. So for now, we're just gonna remove it. There you go. So yeah, and a quick tip for you guys as well. Once you click on, for example, as you can see right here, in English we have the letters translated to that, and we have the text speech installed, we have the speech recognition installed, handwriting installed, and also the basic typing is installed with an available spell checker. And once we check on other language, some of them have limited options. As you can see there, this one also only has text to speech available, but it doesn't have the mic, and the handwriting doesn't have those. But some of them are complete. Some, for example, right? What language are complete here? This one's almost, and the others on top is almost complete. But I think I saw one that is fully completed. Oh, well, I guess I might be wrong. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.